Hello everybody, today we have Lenovo 13W Yoga Gen 2 series. Let's take it apart, let's see what we can fix, replace or upgrade. Start with bottom screws. That's our stylus pen for the screen, so let's take it out. Now we have to separate the bottom case from the palmrest. So find a gap where you can put the tool in and then work your way around the edge to separate both parts. Alright. And the bottom is out. Here we have the part number. Now we can access all the internal components, so start with disconnecting the battery. And now we can take out the battery. So if the battery doesn't hold the charge or it's swollen, you can replace it. Watch out for the speaker wires, they routed through the battery. Alright. The battery is out. So here we have the part number, model number. So now, since we already touched our speakers, let's see if we can replace them. Okay, we're gonna do it later because they are covered by the motherboard. So let's see here. Here we have the Wi-Fi card. So if it doesn't work, you can replace this card. If you have no Wi-Fi connection or you can't find Wi-Fi networks at all. So that's our Wi-Fi card. Here we have the model number and the part number. So here let's check under that cover. We have our RAM memory slot. So spread those arms and you can take it out. So if the memory doesn't work or you would like to upgrade to the higher one, you can replace it. Alright, now let's take out our heatsink fan assembly. So if the cooling is bad, laptop is overheating and you would like to repaste the cooling paste, or this fan doesn't spin or it's making grinding noise, then you can replace it. Disconnect the fan from the motherboard and you can take it out. Here we have the part number. And here that's our heatsink. Be gentle, don't bend it. It won't work if you bend it. Here we have the part number. Right here. Alright. Here we can see our storage. So if your laptop doesn't boot and tells you no boot device, or you would like to upgrade the storage to the bigger one, you can do it. So unscrew this one screw, and that's the NVMe SSD drive. Okay, now we will be pulling out our motherboard. So let's disconnect all the cables. that's our speaker connector. Okay, now let's take out all the screws for the motherboard. Okay, now we can take it out. That's our processor. The processor is soldered on the motherboard, so you cannot replace it. If it doesn't work, you have to replace the whole motherboard. Here we have one connector left attached. Okay. Let's see, that's our part number for the motherboard. So now we can take out our speakers. If the sound is bad, you can replace your speakers. Here we have the part number. Here, that's our web camera. Let's see if we can replace it. So yeah, if the webcam doesn't work, you can replace it. Okay, so now let's disconnect our screen from the Palmrest keyboard assembly. So take out the hinge screws. Now unfold these hinges. And that's how we can take out the Palmrest touchpad keyboard assembly. Let's see if we can take out the touchpad. Yeah, looks like it's held by these screws. So if you would need to replace just the touchpad, you can do it. But very often, that's how it comes, like the whole part. If you need parts, check gotlaptopparts.com. And that's our screen, usually sold in one piece, very fragile. It's hard to replace it without breaking the actual LCD. So look for the whole screen assembly. Alright, thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video.